Okay, so today we're gonna make spaghetti ice cream. So first of all, you wanna push the ice cream through something like this. That's actually what I just found, a noodle dough machine. Okay, it's not looking pretty because you need to let the ice cream soften a little bit, which I unfortunately didn't do. So I failed here, but you get the idea. So we push it through here, and then it looks something like that. And if I would have waited a few minutes, just let the ice cream sit in there a few minutes, then it would look actually a little bit better. Sorry for that. But you get the idea behind that. So we would have something which looks like spaghetti ice cream. Let's have some red sauce here. And then sometimes what I like to do when we have some chocolate around, that is actually something where you slice cucumbers. But that is actually perfect if you want to flake some chocolate, right? So you can chocolate or a cookie, and then can make some flakes here. Well, and there you have it. So theoretically, that would be my spaghetti ice cream. And as I said before, the problem is you should let it melt a little bit longer and then push it through the machine. But yeah, it's ugly and I didn't prepare it, but yeah, just a little inspiration. I just realized I forgot to show you that machine. So it's actually what you could call a noodle press, right? So what you do, you put the noodle dough in here, then you have this piston here, and then you would put the piston in here, and then you push it down, and then the noodles will come out here.